I'm Frankie Meatball of the Cooking Chair with you. I'm Frankie Meatball every Wednesday, a new show. I said it, you heard it, it is fun.
Hey, welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Today, I'm going to make one of my steakhouse favorites, which is a bloomin' onion. Who goes to a steakhouse and doesn't order a bloomin' onion? Now this guy, first thing I order is a beer and a bloomin' onion. So today, I'm going to teach you how to make a bloomin' onion at home on Cooking Frankie Meatball.
Hey, I'm Kevin. And I'm Johnny E. from Philly Rock Radio. And you're about to get cooking with Frankie Meatball.
The ultimate meatball.
Bloomin' onion, one of my favorites. Love the bloomin' onion. And the pedal sauce, which we're not going to make. Because Sweet Baby Ray's, I'm not sponsored by them, but this sauce, forget about it. They just do it too good, so we're making this. We can skimp on that. It's still good. But anyway, let's get on with our onion, okay? Where that little fuzz part is, not the root. We're gonna cut that as straight as we can. Ooh, look at that, huh? Nice and nice. Smells so good. Now just take your tip of your knife and you wanna put like a little slit on the skin. Be careful though, okay? And just open your onion, take the skin off, okay? Now you got your skin off, make sure you take all the little pieces off. You leave the root, okay? So remember we did a little slit right here to take the skin off? That slit's still there. So what we're gonna do, finish taking that skin off, okay? So where you see it, you go down about what's that, about an inch and a half, and slice straight down, okay? Make sure you got it straight down. Then you wanna go, we're gonna call that 12 o'clock, okay? We're gonna go an inch and a half down. And we're going to call that quarter after. Then we're going to go to 6, which is half past. The cows took us. Okay? Then we're going to go a quarter of. And I went too close to the root, but that's okay. Don't worry about it. All right? But you want to make sure your knife goes all the way through the onion. All right, now, what you want to do is you take your quarter, go a half inch down, and put another slice. Okay? 2 more slices we're gonna do in that quarter. Okay? Now, where's your quarter? Right here. We're gonna go, just make sure we have it. Here's our quarter. Alright, we're gonna go half inch down. Okay? Okay, right there, we're going straight down. Boom. Okay, now our next quarter. Half inch down, boom. Half inch down, boom. Okay, now our last quarter. 2 more slices and it's bloomin' time. Boom, boom. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go down every one and make sure it's all cut. Okay. Look at this onion, nice and thick, huh? Look at that. Just pull it apart and there it goes. Now be very gentle with it, gentle. There's going to be some, okay, some that didn't go all the way through, so you're going to take your knife and kind of make it go through. You know what I'm saying? All right, look, just spread her apart, make sure everything is cut. Your onion's all cut. Guys, it's going to take a little bit of time to get used to. Remember, go a half inch down, not too close to the root. You went a little too close to the root, but we're going to make it work anyway. Okay? So, anyway, you get a cup. You're going to need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then we're going to need 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now, a half a teaspoon of baking powder. Now you got 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and a half a tablespoon of baking powder. Get your whisk and whisk it together. You can decorate this any way you can. Spice it up, okay? Spice it up with your favorite spices. Me, I'm going to use some white pepper, Just gonna do some black pepper, chipotle powder. This gives it a nice smoky taste, guys. It's up to you how spicy you want it, how much flavor you want it to have, you know what I mean? We'll sprinkle some chili powder in that. Paprika. Any kind of paprika you got's fine. I'm gonna do some garlic powder. Okay, and then just a touch of cayenne. Unless you want it real hot, you put a lot in, but I'm just gonna give it a touch like that. A little goes a long way, guys, okay? We got our seasonings in. Now we're gonna hit it with some salt. Boom, like that. Boom, like that. Boom, like that, okay? Then you take your whisk and you whisk it together. You wanna see that? Boom. You wanna get all those seasonings well mixed together. We're gonna do 2 eggs. And that is 2. Get some milk. Say about a cup, but I just, pour some in until it looks good. You know what I mean? So there's a good amount of liquid in there. Alright, so again, you can take your whisk again. We're gonna break the yolks, and we're gonna whisk it together. Alright, now you get your onion, and what you wanna do is sprinkle it with some cornstarch, okay? Make sure you be very gentle, because I almost broke another leaf in there. Well, you know what I mean. Flour, whatever you want to call it, the onion. Just coat it a little bit with that, okay? You got your onion. Put your onion in your flour mixture, and then you just grab it, and we're just gonna dust it a little bit. Get it in between, okay? Grab your onion, just tap it out, okay? Place it in your egg mixture. Now, what I like to do, get a spoon and just spoon it all over the onion. Okay, make sure you get it in between, all over the place. You're gonna get your hands in. Please always hold it from the bottom. All right, we're gonna shake it off. All right, then we're gonna drop her in. Same with the flour. Make sure you get it all in between where you put the egg. Okay? There's plenty of flour here. Like I said, you season your flour how you want it. You know what I'm saying? Whatever you got in the pantry. You don't have to go out and get no special powders or whatever. You know what I mean? I'm going to leave this in the flour. Unless you're going to make more than one, then you want to take this, put it to the side. The whole time I had, make sure you got your oil heating up to 375. Our oil's 375. What we're going to do is we're going to use a nice little thing. All right, let's turn it upside down. Get that off that we sprinkled back on. Put it in here. Look at that, right? And then what we're going to do is we're going to place her easily in there. Let that cook. Steakhouse special, guys. Hey, it's not like a steakhouse. It's better. You know why it's better? Because you made it. You want to even make it better? You put cheddar on it. Some little cheddar on it. Everything's better with cheddar, guys. If you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. Turn on that bell notification button so you get notified every time I put out a new video. Guys, my email me. Tell me what you want. I'm here for you guys. Check us out on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram. Don't forget, my guys, PhillyRockRadio.com. They play everything from the Forefathers to the band Mothers of Rock. Thursday night, live with Kevin and Johnny E. They do Rock Talk live. I'm telling you, you call in, they have games. It's a good time for 2 hours, guys. So anyway, I can't wait any longer. I'm all hopped up on this bada bean coffee. Forget about it. Let me tell you, bada boom, bada bean. Put it in your cup. You know what I mean? I'll tell you what. Until next time. Forget about it, eh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.